mobile workshop MW1000 is easy to transport thanks to its ergonomic design and low weight. In just a few steps, the compact unit assembles to become a stable workstation with direct access to tools and consumables. The adjustable sustainer drawer allows you to store your power tools, accessories and consumables when working. Its flexible worktop can be extended for use with larger workpieces. Outstanding transportation up and down steps thanks to its large wheels, which are fully rubber lined and shock resistant. The table is slotted down through the back of the trolley for easy transportation. The MW1000 has a stable work platform comprising of a perforated top for securing different materials, and the aluminium profile offers flexible clamping and attachment options to make working on site faster and easier. To keep yourself updated on Festool product information and applications, subscribe to our channel below.